Wagwan guys, welcome back. And today we're gonna make some Barbie Fry Wings. Fry them up, French fry them. With a nice barbecue sauce on it, which we're gonna make. Yeah man, so Barbie Fry Wing today. So watch what I go on. Okay guys, so we'll finish seasoning our wings. We'll add some chicken seasoning to our flour. Yeah, that's season with flour. Yeah, and we'll add some all-purpose. Then we'll add a little bit of baking powder. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Alright guys, so we'll incorporate everything. Then we'll start fry up our chicken. Alright guys, so them nice and golden brown. Alright, we'll take them out of the pot. Then we'll make with sauce. Make with barbecue sauce. Yeah, and we'll put them in the oven for like about 15 minutes. Then you're gonna see the finished product. Look at that, people. Beautiful. Alright, now we have to pour on the sauce on it. Alright guys, so we're gonna make with sauce. We have a barbecue sauce. We're gonna add in some ketchup. And we're gonna add in some honey. Then last but not least, we're gonna add in some honey mustard. You know what I mean? Get a nice little tangy flavor. Alright, we're gonna mix this in. We're gonna put a cup of water. We're gonna pour it on the wings and put it in the oven. Alright guys, this is the final product. Beautiful. Remember to like, subscribe and share.